guys, welcome to another Android Java tutorial using Android Studio by Android Dev. This is Hanzada, and today we are going to change the text of the text view we have created in our previous tutorial. So in the previous tutorial we have created a hello world application with only one text view which have text hello world. So what we are going to do is we are going to change the text of text view programmatically. So let's go and open Android Studio. Here I have already created a test application. I have main activity, and here I have activity main.xml for the layout. So here if I zoom in, you can see this layout has only one text view here, and it has text hello world. So switching to text, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this text view, and I'm going to create another text view, and I will set an ID for it. So let's create a text view, textView. Just click, and now it will be asking for the layout width, the view width. So I'm going to make it match parent. The width is I set width match parent for this text view, and I'm going to set the height as wrap content for this text view. So by wrap content, it means the height is adjustable according to the text. Next I'm going to now if I switch to the design view, you can see our text view is already created, but it is not showing us anything. So I'm going to write the text that is, let's say, my text. So now you can see we have created a text view with my text. Okay, next I'm going to change this text of the text view dynamically in the Java file, in the main file. On the runtime, I'm going to assign an ID to this text view. So let's write Android ID, then ID, and let's set my text view. So we have created an ID for this text view, that is my text view. So we are all set for now. Let's go and open main activity, and under this resource.layout.main activity, I'm going to create a text view. So create let's go and import. Okay, I'm going to create text view, and I am going to name it. Alright, let's delete this one first and write text view, and I'm going to name it, let's say, my TV, that is my text view. So I'm going to set it to equal, and I'm going to declare its type, that is a text view, and I'm going to set it I'm going to find it by find view by ID. I'm going to call it by find view by ID method, that is .id.my text view. So first thing first is, here I have declared a text view with the name my TV, but this text view, for this text view we have imported a class, that is import android dot widget dot text view. So now this class is supporting this text view. Okay, if I delete this, it will ask me to import this particular class. So I can do it by hitting Alt plus Enter, and this class will automatically be imported. So what does this line mean? Okay, this is actually the typecasting. Okay, what is typecasting? See here, we have created and a text view in our layout, this text view, but we are going to map this text view in our Java file. We are telling this Java file, okay, we have created our text view in XML file, and here we can find it by its ID, that is r.id.myTextView. So here we have declared its ID, set its ID to myTextView, and we are finding it here. So basically we have created a text view in XML, and in Java we do not need to create a text view. We are just referring this text view in the main XML file, that we have a text view in our main XML, and we are actually referring it or assigning it to this text view, my TV. Okay, so as this main activity XML is linked with this main activity.java class, so any view here, any component here can be referenced in this Java file by the typecasting. So text view my TV, this is the name, and the type is the text view, and we are going to call this map this activity, this text view by find view by ID method, that is r.id.myTextView. So okay, we have created our myTextView, and we have mapped the main text view from XML into this Java class. Next I'm going to use this myTV, and I'm going to set a method called setText. Okay, now I'm going to select the second one, that is character sequence set text. Okay, now I can set any text here. Let's say this is my text view. So now this line is going to set this text, my text, to this is my text view. So let's go and test it. Let's go and run it. I'm going to use this emulator that is already open, Android SDK for 668, that is Nexus 1 API. Okay, and now Gradle has started. I'm going to pause this video and I will be back when this thing is done. Okay guys, our test application has just created and it's about to run on our emulator. So here you can see that this is my text view. This text is set to the text view we have created in our main file. So this is how you can change the text of your text view programmatically. So that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching.